This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber replacement. Open the trunk and remove the floor mat. Then unscrew the large nut and remove the trunk floor panel. Remove the spare tire or air compressor as applicable. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the parking brake. Chock the front wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the rear wheel lug nuts, then raise the rear of the vehicle and support it on jack stands. Remove the rear wheels. Support the bottom of the knuckle with a floor jack. Remove the nut from the rear stabilizer bar link. On models equipped with electronic ride control, unscrew the height sensor rod ball stud from the lower control arm. Remove the nuts from the lower control arm to knuckle bolt and the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. It may be helpful to support the lower control arm with a jack to alter the height of the control arm when removing the control arm to knuckle bolt. Remove the lower control arm to knuckle bolt. Remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Remove the shock absorber upper mounting bolts. On models equipped with electronic ride control, disconnect the electrical connector in the harness to the shock absorber. Push the lower control arm down and guide the shock absorber coil spring assembly out. Guide the shock absorber coil spring assembly between the lower control arm and the stabilizer bar into position. On models equipped with electronic ride control, reconnect the electrical connector in the harness to the shock absorber and attach the harness clip to the shock's upper mount. Install the shock absorber upper mounting bolts, but don't tighten them yet. Install the shock absorber lower mounting bolt and the lower control arm to knuckle bolt and nut. Tighten the upper and lower shock absorber mounting fasteners and the lower control arm to steering knuckle bolt and nut to the specified torque settings. On models equipped with electronic ride control, attach the height sensor rod ball stud to the lower control arm and tighten it securely. Reconnect the stabilizer bar link to the stabilizer bar and install the nut bushing, tightening it to the specified torque setting. Repeat this procedure for the remaining rear shock absorber. Install the rear wheels and lug nuts. Lower the vehicle to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Unblock the wheels. Attach the negative cable to the battery and tighten the bolts securely. Set the air compressor or spare tire into place. Install the floor panel and tighten the nut securely. Then lay the floor mat in place.